So at the top you can see that Om Beza Bhumi Aho, that is a blessing. But somebody say blessing the ground. So I didn't quite clear the word, the text here. So then after that, the second hit, you put on the eastern direction. It is Christian toward yourself, toward the direction of yourself. So there you put the first one, the eastern continent. Then when you put that, when you have this, the east is, in the east is the continent called Lupapo. So Lupapo. There, the beings, the being body is 2 times bigger than ours. So that, in the continent, in the east continent. Actually, Lupapo is very big body, so that's why they call it a big body. Because that has the body in the 2 times of ours. And so that time you imagine it as the forming the whole eastern continent, and then on the same thing, when you said that, then the other heap, the next heap, when you pour the next heap, then at that time you have to imagine again on the south, it's on the unit left, and then at that time you imagine the forming the whole the south continent, and also same with the north, the west, and the north like that. After pouring the 4 continents, then you have to pour into the 8 subcontinents. The 8 subcontinents. So you just start from the east, the east left and the east right, south left, south right, south, like that. West left, west north, like so like that. You pour 8 subcontinents, and then after that, after forming then you have to also imagine forming all the 8 subcontinents, and and after that you have to imagine this. It's quite clear in the chapter. In the east is the treasure mountain. So there you have to imagine having the treasure mountain in the east, where being can use the treasure plenty, where there's a plentiful of treasures, and beings can use like that. You have to imagine the treasure of mountain. So then in the south is the wish granting tree. So that's the tree. The wish granting tree, and it says that this tree exists in Mount Kailash in Tibet. In Mount Kailash, and this can be seen by only those with very very unfortunate people can see this. Very fortunate people can see bush without marriage. So they can see this tree. Now this tree is it's near the lake called Mahom, yeah, so Mahom, the lake of Mahom, Mahom. So they called Mahom, and so the this leaf of the tree, when we took the wandering tree, when it falls on the water, it makes sound like some on good, it makes the sound of that. That's why it's called the house wandering good lake, for example, they are. And so it's that all the four spirits and all the work that the people have in this world came from that tree, the wish granting tree, wish granting tree, and you so you have to imagine this whole thing like that. That's this wish granting tree and the house granting tree. You have to imagine when you're open to Mandala. Come on, they can. So also, when you're imagining the Wisconsin tree in the southern continent, then you shouldn't imagine just only one tree. You shouldn't think there's only one tree in the southern continent in a Wisconsin tree, but you have to imagine many the Wisconsin trees in the southern continent also. And then on the north continent, there's the Wisconsin cow. So there's a cow, who's the horns and all the teeth made of a precious gems, and it gives them milk and inexhaustible milk, and you can milk as much as you want, and it will never finish, and you can enjoy for a very very long time. So like that, and also the cow, you shouldn't imagine just one or two, just one cow, but you have to think that many cows like that. So, yep, one of the sometimes. I don't know. Yeah. No. So, and in the northern continent, there's uncultivated crops. No. So uncultivated crops, and there's these people like in the southern continent, the deal that we have to sow the seed and water it, fertilize it, and work for many times, for a long time to reap it, to mature and to reap it. But in nothing connected to that. So if you harvest it today and then tomorrow again you find, and in the morning you find the crops there is run up already. Now if you reap it in the daytime, then you'll find it again, gone already in the nighttime. So you can, they can enjoy as much as they want, and they don't have to work hard like we do. So that's why they can enjoy the wealth or the treasure that they have in the northern continent. So then that's another one. The pressure to in the sky of the eastern continent, and then you have to imagine the Christian the pressure wheel is made up of gold, and has thousands of spokes, thousand spokes. It's like the second sun. It has a very bright light and shining, so it's like the second sun. So you have to imagine this wheel on in the sky of the eastern continent. So then on the sky of the southern continent, you imagine, you visualize the precious jewel, and the jewel, it has the color of the lapis lazuli, and it has the quality, it can, and it has the nature to cool you when you're hot, when you feel hot, and it can warm you when you feel cold, and it can also cure all kind of disease, all kind of disease, and if you like request to it, if you wish anything, then it will grant you. You have to imagine this kind of precious gem, full of this God, this kind of gem, filled with this God, in the sky of the southern continent. Then in the sky of the western continent, imagine the precious queen, and the queen she's free from five faults of the ordinary woman, and such as like the faults of jealousy or so on and stuff, and she has the quality to give the uncontaminated bliss, and she she has what is called the person and she stinks with the sweet smell from her body and mouth, without being applied, like without using any perfume for this thing. And she can grant any kind of the wish that you make. So you can imagine this kind of coin, filled full of the sky in the southern continent. It's not the west continent. Like the number, But then on the northern continent, and on the sky of the northern continent, you have to imagine on the northern continent, you have to imagine this the precious minister, and I mean, and it's, he's skillful in all the means, in all the actions, in all the tasks of the king. He can do any kind of all the jobs of the king, and then like just like attacking the enemies, or the depending when they attack you. So all this, he knows very well. So he's very expert in all the activities of the king. So you have to imagine a precious minister with this kind of quality. stuff like that. So on the east-west, east-south, on the chart east-south, we have to imagine this precious elephant. So this elephant is, like 1,000 times bigger than the ordinary elephant, and it has a 6 trunk, and it can go around the whole world 3 times in a day. And it has, it has in each of these parts there is so children book. And then in each part of that elephant there is the 2 bottom tops, where the gods and goddess they come and bath in there. And like that. So you have in each cabin you have to imagine many gods. So this kind of elephant you have to imagine, full of gods, this kind of element in the east, south, sky. You know what that is? No. So in the sky of the southwest, imagine the person. So imagine the person, horse, horse. So then you imagine the horse very clean and very bright and adorned with the precious jewels, and who can run very fast and never get tired, never get tired, and because it has a very magnificent body, and yeah, I think that's all. It never gets tired, and it has the magnificent body for that. But you have to imagine this kind of the horse filled with the sky and the southwest. So then you have to imagine the precious general, precious general in the west north, and so the quality that he has is he's very expert in all kinds of battles, like battling on the horse, or battling on the foot, and battling on the shadows also, and also you have to imagine that he has a very big assembly of army. And then on the east, it's the great treasure of wealth. So you imagine having so many kind of people, so many of these kind of bosses in the sky. So this 7 implements of um, the 7 implements of the um, 7 implements of yeah, the work kind of thing. It's all these kind of possessions are only possessed by the by by the returning king, or by the by the influence, those who control over the continent. So that is the 23 and adjectives that Lama Konchog used to do when he doing the mandal titles. So if you want to add on top of that, then you can add this the 8 goddesses. The goddess of birth in the east, goddess of garden in the south, goddess of song in the west, goddess of dance in the south, and goddess of flower in the east west, east south, the goddess of incense in the south, the southwest, and goddess of light in the northwest, and the goddess of fortune in the northeast. So there's you can then there's the sun anymore. So sun you should place on the east, so this will toward your side, and the moon on the north, not the moon on the west, and on the other side, and the Victory Venus, and umbrella on the Victory Venus on the south, and the umbrella, the precious umbrella on the north. Sometimes so then in the center, all the possessions are precious to gods and to humans. This magnificent glorious collection lacking in nothing. So you have to imagine all these precious possessions in the center. Something like that. Yeah, that is someone. You're following the Mandalas of the Sankapa then, and you have to imagine a lotus on the each horse, each feet. So there are 23 feet, so there will be 23 lotus. And on each lotus, you imagine Mandala branches. So in each branch there is a flower. So on top of each flower, there's each one Samantha Butler, so because of Samantha Butler, golden jewel in his hand. 咁如果我哋根據中亞巴大師嘅23共嘅，咁我哋就要喺 So then, we imagine from the jewel that is holding by, by some of the Bhagavad Bodhisattva. From there, you imagine light, light emanating towards the transaction and making offering to the, offering to the Buddha and Bodhisattva. So the some of the Bhagavad offering is very expensive, and even you have to you have to think that even the whole part, the whole step is this small to make this offering. So therefore you have to when it's some of the Bhagavad offering, you have to make it very very big. And no, they so there's Buddha who concentrate, so Sanjay concentrate, the Buddha concentrate. So in his here's the for the